penguins sliding on the ice wiggled and giggled, oh what a slice. One spun fast and zoomed out of view. Come back soon, cried the waddling crew. Waddle, waddle, flap and play, snowflakes falling every day. Count those penguins, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's number 5? We want one more. The 4 little penguins looked all around, no sign of their friend, not a sound. But they knew adventures were part of the game, so off they went, calling her name. 4 little penguins in the frosty breeze, dancing and hopping with chilly knees. One took a tumble down a snowy hill. Wait for me, came a tiny trill. Waddle, waddle, flap and play, snowflakes falling every day. Count those penguins, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's number 4? Where could he be? Now just 3 were left on the snowy scene, but they weren't upset, they weren't mean. They knew that play can pull friends away, so they laughed and sledded the penguin way. 3 little penguins under sky so blue, sliding on their bellies, whoosh, they flew. One found a snow cave warm and round. Let's play hide and seek, don't make a sound. Waddle, waddle, flap and play, snowflakes falling every day. Count those penguins, 1, 2. Now one more penguin's gone too. Penguins built a tall snow tower, working together for nearly an hour. They stacked and patted with snowy hands. Their snowy castle looked truly grand. 2 little penguins building snowy towers, stacking up blocks for hours and hours. One got sleepy and began to yawn. I'll nap right here till the break of dawn. Waddle, waddle, flap and play, snowflakes falling every day. Only one little penguin is left in sight. Where the others go, it's not quite right. Now one little penguin, quiet and still, stood alone on the snowy hill. She looked left and she looked right, but no friends appeared in the soft moonlight. One little penguin feeling kinda small. I miss my friends, I want them all. Then pop, pop, pop came waddles galore. All 5 back with hugs and more. They jumped and twirled and clapped with glee, as happy as 5 little friends could be. They huddled up in a snowy embrace, with warm little smiles on every face. Waddle, waddle, laugh and cheer, all 5 penguins now are here. Slide and giggle, clap, hooray, best snowy friends forever and a day. Then the stars came out and the sky turned deep. It was time for cocoa, cuddles and sleep. 5 little penguins snug in their bed, dream snowy dreams in a warm igloo shed. The next time you're out where the snowflakes fall, remember those penguins big and small. Count them backwards, it's fun to do. 5, 4, 3, then 1 and 2. In snow or sun, in work or play, friendship and love lead the way. And if a penguin waddles far from view, don't worry, they'll always come back to you.